Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the capitalization on Canva. So begin by adding text to your project, and to do this go to the sidebar and select text. Then you can choose to add your own fonts or you can choose default text styles, it's up to you. Then once you've added your text to the canvas, the next step is to change the capitalization. And to do this, ensure that your text is selected. Then from here on the toolbar, you should see this icon. When you hover over it, it's called Uppercase. So simply click on it, and then you'll notice that the capitalization has changed on your text. And if you wish to remove it, click on the icon again, and it's gone back to the way it was before. So you can do this to all of them by simply highlighting on all pieces of the text, clicking on the icon, and then you'll see a change automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.